In today's video, we will be styling this Hibiscus Taiwan variety into a Dai Kengai style or extreme or full cascade. Hi guys! Happy Saturday morning to all of you. It's me again, GC, and welcome back to my channel, GC Bonsai and Gardening. In today's video, we will be styling this Hibiscus Taiwan variety into a Dai Kengai style or extreme or full cascade. And to those who haven't yet subscribed to our channel, kindly hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. So let's get started. So as you can see here, we had already decided the front for this material. So this material is good for bonsai because in this tree you can get a good ramification of foliage and branches. This tree, hibiscus, is a family of gumamela here in local, but this variety is from Taiwan. It is easy to identify hibiscus Taiwan variety because it has a almost perfect heart-shaped leaves, as you can see here. In making a Dai Kengai style or a full cascade style of bonsai, it is important to the balance of energy. So it is important to know the distribution of nutrients and how to maintain and how to develop the lower branches here because of the apical dominance. So when we talk about apical dominance, most of the energy is distributed above the tree. So here, so the nutrients and water will absorb by the roots and will be distributed most of the nutrients at the top of this tree. So that's why it is slow. The growth of these lower branches here is slower than the top. So as you can see here, in the process of making the Dai Kengai or the full cascade, most of the branches or leaves are ramified already at the top, while at the bottom or the lower branches, it has only few branches, as you can see here. In styling this tree, what we will do is to partially defoliate this material. First is to defoliate the top and then retain the leaves at the bottom so that it will grow and it will elongate so that we can get a proper girth or the thickness of this branch, the main branch here. As you can see in the primary structure of the tree, the root base here, which is, we had this extension for the root training, and then going here, and then the line is going down, and then we will make it sure that the bottom or the lowest branch will go below the pot. So to maintain the proper tapering, maybe in the future we will cut this out here, and then we will let this one grow so that we can attain the thickness or the proportion of the branch or the main trunk. So now we will defoliate the tree partially, only in the top portion, and then after that we will be removing all the existing wires, and then we will select the branches that we will be let to grow for our styling, and then Yes, we will position all the branches so that we can achieve a good quality of Dai Kengai full cascade style. As you can see here guys, this is the main trunk, and then as we go along the major line here, there are 3 branches that is growing in the same point. So what will happen in the future in this condition, it will create a reverse taper. So in order to retain good tapering and spacing, we will remove this branch here so that we can see the curve, and at the same time we will retain the tapering of this material. Also, after we remove this, there will be a lot of space, or there will be a good space for the branches right here to grow. So these branches here, we will grab this to become the back, or the back branch or the rear branch of the tree. At the same time, this branch here, this branch over here, right here at the left, reposition it here so that it will cover the loss of this branch, so that we can cover the space that is being occupied by this branch that we are going to remove. Okay, So let's remove it now. Focus a little bit here. So here, a knob cutter, combination knob cutter, to create a concave cut for this tree. First is to partially cut here, like this, then the full. So in this kind of tree, we can propagate through cuttings. We will plant this in another container so that we can have another bonsai in the future.